My name is Sujal Kumar. Since I have interest in finance, so why not have in-depth knowledge? Why not reach the epitome of it? So that's why MBA. I directly went to Quora. I did my research on YouTube. I also came around the testimonies of the student, which you have. So from there, I get, the MBAGuru would be the best and perfect fit for me. At starting, I was a bit skeptical because I, chose for the online course. If I was in an online mode or an offline mode, the homework sheets and stuff, they were, very helpful to me. And also the dashboard of MBAGuru, I don't have words to explain like how helpful it was for me. I was not expecting that I would be, able to convert calls like Kozhikode and Indore. But when I saw my result, I was, very much joyful. So MBAGuru, yeah, it helped me a lot. DILR, which was also my weakness in my SWOT analysis at the very beginning in the adaptive module. It was the DILR thing only. They had our SWOT analysis. In the starting only, I had an idea that these are my weaknesses, these are my strengths. So my basic preparation was around that, and that's why it helped me a lot. First thing is the dashboard, that's very interactive. Second thing is the homework sheets that they provide. Here it's like, there are 20 questions, 30 questions, and again after that you are getting another 30 that you can practice after that. And the third thing are the teachers and the faculty. Even the non-teaching staff here is very helpful. Every day I used to feel like, no, I can't do it. But then another morning, it was like, I have to do it, or there is no other option. It's like one of the best decisions I took for my MBA journey. I was in love with the dashboard, the adaptive module, so much helpful. So my journey with MBAGuru is like, I would give it a 5-star.